Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
No, it's my channel.
It's my channel, Auntie.
No, it's mine. Okay, so today we will make a special video because I'm with Vicky. So what we want to do today?
This one.
This one. This is my pouch.
This is Auntie's pouch.
So you want to know what's inside my pouch?
Yes.
Okay, let's open it.
What is this?
Do you know what is this?
Yeah.
What?
That's a mirror and a powder.
It's cushion.
That's
Just like powder. Okay?
and
No, on your face. Ah, good.
so next is
Do you know?
it's a lipstick.
No, it's not lipstick. It's
Oh,
mascara.
it's for the eyelashes.
For eyelashes, do you know how to apply mascara?
Yeah.
Like what? And the next is
And the next is lipstick. It's for your lips.
for your lips. Okay. Okay.
Done.
And next?
And next is this one. That's the eyeshadow. And I will choose pink.
Okay.
Can you please help me?
Yeah. Vicky, do you want to be a beauty blogger just like me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I like you.
Huh? Because you like me. Okay, done.
Done. Which one you want?
Huh?
Brown, pink, or yellow?
How about pink?
How is your lip?
How do I look?
Good. And next is dun,
What is this?
Wonder Drawing. And finish Browcara.
So this is Browcara for your eyebrow.
Can you help me?
Hmm?
Can you help me?
Ah, done.
How does that look?
Good.
Yeah. And now I have the bunny. This is a bunny clip. It's from your hair. This is like that one.
Okay.
And you.
So this is what I bring on my pouch. See?
See?
Yeah.
That's a
Mascara.
that's the mascara.
This is the BB cushion.
This is the BB cushion.
Lipstick.
And this is the lipstick.
And this is the Browcara.
This is the Browcara.
And eyeshadow.
And eyeshadows. So, thank you guys for watching this video.
Don't forget to like this video and
And subscribe.
and see you on the next video.
And see you at the next video.
Bye bye.
Bye.